Are you familiar with the phrase "early bird gets the worm"? I'm the bird that they're always talking about. Hope no one sees this. No one ever sees a bird pee. Oh, look at that. Someone left out a bird feeder. Oops. Yummy bird seed in there. I wish I had thumbs so I could grab it. One of my favorite things to do is, obviously early bird gets the worm. You're looking around for worms, you know? Jesus, how long is this worm? Time to have a bath. That bird bath sucked. Just flying around. Pretty cool. It's really dark out right now. Tweet. Tweet. I got mosquito bites. Chirp, chirp. Watch this. I remember there being cobwebs up here. Oh God. Oh no. Oh God, I'm stuck. Oh God, no. Tweet, tweet. I don't know how long I'll be. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. I can do this. Hey. I'm just going higher. I'm just going higher. Okay. How do I get down? God, that was scary. Oh my God. So, this is my wife's egg. You know, funny thing about eggs is that they're actually pretty resilient. Yeah, I know. I read something online that, like, if you stand an egg upright, it could actually support your full body weight. I guess we'll try that now. Oh, yeah, that did not work out. No, something about this doesn't. What the? Is this hard boiled? So I got some stuff to talk about with the wife. Maybe I'll put it in. I won't put an Instagram story actually. There's one of my bird friends over here. I don't know if you can see him on the video. We're gonna try to say hi. Hey, birdie. Come here, birdie. I'm your friend. I'm like you. Come over here. Yeah, come on. Come on. Oh, no. Come over here. Come over here. It's okay. Oh God, he's over the fence. I got this. Okay, birdie. Come on. Come here, birdie. Come here. Shh. It's okay, bird. Come here. Where are you going? He doesn't want to talk to me right now. Perching. Perching is really cool. Something we birds do. We like to get like up on. I got mosquitoes on me everywhere. We like to go up on a high place and then like just kind of sit there. Yeah, you know, perching is like the human's version of planking, but it's like way cooler. Watch this. Stop me if you've seen this. But... yeah. Oh. I'm a bird. okay. That's fine. It's fine. Being a bird is super awesome because, like, people just give you food sometimes, you know? You get, like, a McDonald's French fry, which I don't know if those are actually very good for you. I'm just tired all of a sudden, you know? And sometimes they'll give you, like, bread, which I also don't think is, I think it's also good for birds. Sometimes it'll be like old people throw out seeds. I don't really like seeds that much. I like the French fries better. It's hard sometimes because you're trying to be a bird in this day and age, but it's like there's like the avian flu going around, and they're telling you to like stay at your nests, and like that's not legal. You can't do that. The government can't tell you to stay in your nest, because then you just go to try to socialize with other birds, and then it's like you can't go anywhere near them. You can't hold their eggs. It's against the law.